Hello, people. Tonight we are going with two unfinished Crusaders, straight out of the factory, which means they're as baggy as Cyberpunk when it first released.
Thank you for saying my intro. So first of all, there is already a build for this. I mean, it's not really changing anything. It's just upgrading the lasers and the engine and everything. So it's gonna be better, be faster, be stronger. And this is like the beta shit stock version of the build. Sadly, it cannot punch with those nice claws over there, but it has machine guns like on this claws. If you look at it closer, and we're gonna just try to flank rotato potato into enemy backline. Try to get some damage done, try to get some Daka done. Excuse me, not Daka, but machine gun fists done. And yeah, quick rundown. Thank you. A quick rundown of the build. We're running 10 machine guns, SRM 6x4, and 2 medium lasers. What my build is gonna upgrade is we're gonna change the structure from standard to endosteel, giving us 3 more tons. We're gonna add half a ton of machine gun ammo. We're gonna exchange the medium lasers for medium pulse lasers. And we're gonna add a Beagle active probe because we're gonna be permanently close so we can counter ECMs. So our missile bows can also dish out some damage.
And now that you've said it all, it's time for our dear viewers to pass us some money.
Give rubies!
Ah yes, welcome to today's video sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Okay, but for real, no. I wish we would be earning money with YouTube, but we're too small and too petite.
We don't need money, we need Sibyls.
This is a good day for skirmish, my friend. As we are rocking some machine gun fists. Okay, good.
My man, every day is a good day for skirmish.
Especially if you have, you guessed it, machine gun fists. Okay, the objective of skirmish is very simple. Destroy all enemy players, and on timeout, most kills win. So it's basically
kill.
Yeah, just kill. The game mode is kill.
Kill a kill.
That's a good anime. Never watched it.
I'm about halfway.
Oh, is it good?
Yes.
Oh,
especially the lore.
Oh yeah, the lore.
Reactor online.
The lore of Kill la Kill. Perfect.
Weapons online.
This is command. Eliminate all enemies, no matter the cost.
Okay, oh shit, what the fuck is this? Okay, regroup the weapons real quick.
And tell me what tank I'm piloting right now. Not by looking at top left, but looking directly at me.
Well, the Crusader, obviously.
Kryl. For me, it's Kryl.
Well, yes, because every hero mech has its own nickname. For example, my Supernova hero mech is named Boiler for some reason. Even though it doesn't actually boil people because it has Daka, not the heat weapons. So instead of boiling, you're just shooting them to death. Hoping they die before you. Okay,
You're not gonna die tonight.
so as I can see, that's quite a lot of machine guns. 10 to be exact. Nice.
They barely fit into my screen.
Yeah, they take like half the height of my screen too. If the UI would be a bit wider, that would be painful. Luckily, it's good. Oh, what? Wait, don't shoot it, don't shoot it. Flank. No! Open fire! Oh no, destroy! Okay, we did some machine gun shenanigans, and now we should rotate the potato away. Like over here, maybe? Because there are also assaults over here. We don't wanna face 10 assaults at the same time, because we have the machine guns have insanely low damage. Oh!
Hello!
Wait, don't shoot, go behind. Never mind. Okay, never
And
mind.
it's a free mech of the month already.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, got it behind him.
Maybe I should attack it from the other side.
Yeah. Go.
No, I shouldn't! No, I shouldn't!
Oh, they're on us. Okay, this is bad. This is not good.
It's time to use my tactical ability of running away.
SRM destroyed.
I will not surrender. I will fight. I did no damage at all. Yeah, that was a flop. Yes, now we failed it. We're gonna jump really quick to the other mechs. Let's showcase the second Christmas mech, the Banshee, that we built in the previous video.
Yeah, and it's now in 31st December at my clock. So you know, it's still Christmas time.
Yes, it's still Christmas. We can still play the Christmas mechs. So yeah. So now it's gonna be better, right? We're gonna win now. We're not gonna stupidly die for no reason, and we're gonna actually carry the game, and we're gonna do like 1,000 damage each, and we're gonna be top of the leaderboard, right?
Maybe if I went with my other LBX, not with this one.
This one is great. Come on, it's like
course
your
it's
Marauder,
great.
but jumpier and faster,
Squishier.
and squishier.
Squishy, squishy.
Squishy, squishy. Okay, so this time, because we're playing the Banshee, we have 3 rotary autocannons too. So it's like machine gun, but quite bigger. Yes, and 2 PPCs because I don't know, PPCs are cool. I mean, I don't like PPCs personally, but Banshee somehow works very well with PPCs, and there's not really much else I can fit. I could go with large lasers, but then PPCs and AC2s have similar travel time. Now it's gonna be better, right? We're gonna win now. We're not gonna stupidly die for no reason, and we're gonna actually carry the game. And
You serious?
I'm alive and dying.
get out! Oh, my legs are also suffering. Ow, my leg!
Yeah.
Stop shooting my goddamn leg! Oh my god! What the heck? There's a laser. Over there. Right, shoot my leg all the time. I will sacrifice my leg for you, man. Get
Oh,
out.
real?
There's a Marauder trying to go for my legs. They're kinda low, not gonna lie. I'm in danger.
Bro, I have no back armor right now.
Yeah, just Centurion out. Oh, these guys are not going well. Not at all.
Flag critical
Takeda,
damage.
aim left.
No, I'm just gonna die to leg.
No!
We're gonna win now. We're not gonna stupidly die for no reason, and we're gonna actually carry the game.
The Centurion.
I think your laser's out of range.
Yes.
Ooh.
Oh my leg!
One more hit, He's one.
Destroyed.
Nice.
I stomped at him. Oh, hello.
Is it
That's
Enforcer
Enforcer?
here?
No. That's Enforcer. They look similar.
Yeah. Welcome to Winters here.
Destroyed.
Nice, good shot.
Why are you dead?
Target spotted.
I died to legs.
At least there will be some of my footage at the material. In the material.
Target acquired.
So at least try to play good now.
Target
Don't make a
destroyed.
fool out of yourself.
New target acquired.
Spotted.
Oh, this is the
I don't
bitch.
need to.
This is the bitch who stole
I'm
my
already
legs.
a fool.
5%.
Avenge me.
Fuel at 0%.
Avenge my legs.
Target destroyed.
Good. Good.
Command is
My legs have been avenged.
success and achievements on the surface.
Okay. Back to Centurion. Epic transition. Okay,
Problem.
so
Well,
after... Okay, so
You
we're
go
back.
first.
What?
Go first.
Okay. So after the short break, because the game decided to crash for me, kind of, we're back. We're kind of late, but that's not too bad since we're rocking machine guns anyway, so if nobody's open, we won't do damage.
Acquired.
That's strategy.
Yeah, that's a strategy. AFK strategy. Because machine guns do shit low damage, but into open structure they do a lot
New
of
target
damage.
acquired.
The entire idea is
At
to
least
just
we
shoot
have
into
20 of them.
Yes. So together we have 20, so if someone is have something open, it will last maybe a second or two. Just like me.
Or 10
New
seconds.
target acquired.
If he will be faced with me that contain.
That too. Okay, let's try to maybe jump with the lights. It's run of flank. We can flank with them.
And fly. I don't have the jump jets.
You don't need the
In
jump
Crusader.
jets. Fine. Also,
But we
is it...
have Locust AFK. That's great.
Oh my god, Link.
No!
Get him, boy!
We will shoot at you all our 6,900 bullets.
I'm so sorry for him. I'm so sorry for him. He had no idea. Good shooting, good shooting. Let's go further.
New target
Oh, get the
acquired.
catapult! Get the catapult! He's done! He's done for. Get him! Shoot him! No mercy.
Target destroyed.
I love rotating with potato. Okay, let's go up. Maybe let's scout a bit.
There's something. Too far.
Yeah, too far, too far. That's why I'm trying to go there. Scout a bit.
Probably.
Go on the high ground. See where
I
the enemies
have the
are.
high ground, Anakin.
Target acquired.
Oh, there's a nicer. There's a nicer. Come.
Coming. Oh, he's open.
Target destroyed.
Hey, it's no longer open. It's just
New
dead.
target
Oh no!
acquired.
Oh my god! Okay, we jumped right onto the enemy flank.
Highlander! Oh,
And we
yeah.
got one! We got another one!
Damage. Right leg
Ah!
critical
We
damage.
lived! I lived, at least. Are you okay?
No.
I require assistance.
Critical damage.
Hello?
Need assistance.
I'm 2 shots from death if they will get me at my back.
Okay, now I'm open. This is not good.
Oh, 44%. That's
Hey,
almost
machine gun.
all I can get.
Ah!
Right
For your
That's
information,
critical! Oh no!
my record is
Destroyed.
13%.
Critical damage.
Okay.
Left arm.
Oh wow, I killed him! I got four kills for some reason.
Because I have to. If you didn't
Thank
see
you.
my 10 achievements.
Okay, so well, I'm kind of dead.
Destroyed.
Hello.
That's twice,
Destroyed.
How are you?
that's twice the amount of damage I can take.
That's true, but my leg won't take any more damage. My entire weapon system
Wait,
is
go
2
first. Because you have
SRM6.
no weapon.
UAV?
Go scout.
Okay, now you go first. Go.
Because I have the armor here.
Yeah, go.
There with no weapons.
I'll be right behind you. Don't worry, I have my 2 SRM6s. I'll be so useful. Out of
Target
range. Oh,
destroyed.
nice. Another light over here.
Oh,
Acquired.
urban
Pinged
mech.
it. Oh, it's a trash can. Oh, this is a great
That's a
last
trash
game
can.
for the video. Oh, the rock. Oh, it's here.
Yo!
It's here. Get him, boys.
Target spotted.
Oh no, he knows. Ah. I'm okay.
He's dead.
Thank you. Okay, I got 2 more percent down.
Target destroyed.
Oh, he got sniped by this dire wolf. Damn, guys, good shooting.
Here of your success.
Oh,
Achievement
this is such a good outro. Oh. You guys are just extending watching this burnt guy. It's so romantic. Okay, this was an interesting last match. We
So, how much
showcase here.
damage have you done?
I dealt 420.
442. Haha.
Okay, you did better just because I fucked up. Okay, this video ends right here with the romantic view. And yeah, this will be it. See you guys in the next video. If you're gonna watch it, please watch it. It's gonna be maybe next week. The next video is gonna be either next week, next month, or next year. Choose your term. Yeah, that's it.
Next day.
What?
Next day.
No.
Turn down the lights, turn down the bed. these voices inside.